मुझे पढ़ाना था।
I had to teach.
मुझे नहीं पढ़ाना था।
I did not have to teach.
क्या मुझे पढ़ाना था?
Did I have to teach?
क्या मुझे नहीं पढ़ाना था?
Did I not have to teach?
मुझे क्या पढ़ाना था?
What did I have to teach?
मुझे क्या नहीं पढ़ाना था?
What did I not have to teach?
आपको पढ़ाना था।
You had to teach.
आपको नहीं पढ़ाना था।
You did not have to teach.
क्या आपको पढ़ाना था?
Did you have to teach?
क्या आपको नहीं पढ़ाना था?
Did you not have to teach?
आपको क्या पढ़ाना था?
What did you have to teach?
आपको क्या नहीं पढ़ाना था?
What did you not have to teach?
हमें पढ़ाना था।
We had to teach.
हमें नहीं पढ़ाना था।
We did not have to teach.
क्या हमें पढ़ाना था?
Did we have to teach?
क्या हमें नहीं पढ़ाना था?
Did we not have to teach?
हमें क्या पढ़ाना था?
What did we have to teach?
हमें क्या नहीं पढ़ाना था?
What did we not have to teach?
उसे उन्हें पढ़ाना था।
They had to teach.
उन्हें नहीं पढ़ाना था।
They did not have to teach.
क्या उन्हें पढ़ाना था?
Did they have to teach?
क्या उन्हें नहीं पढ़ाना था?
Did they not have to teach?
उन्हें क्या पढ़ाना था?
What did they have to teach?
उन्हें क्या नहीं पढ़ाना था?
What did they not have to teach?
उसे पढ़ाना था।
He had to teach.
उसे नहीं पढ़ाना था।
He did not have to teach.
क्या उसे पढ़ाना था?
Did he have to teach?
क्या उसे नहीं पढ़ाना था?
Did he not have to teach?
उसे क्या पढ़ाना था?
What did he have to teach?
उसे क्या नहीं पढ़ाना था?
What did he not have to teach?
उसे पढ़ाना था।
She had to teach.
उसे नहीं पढ़ाना था।
She did not have to teach.
क्या उसे पढ़ाना था?
Did she have to teach?
क्या उसे नहीं पढ़ाना था?
Did she not have to teach?
उसे क्या पढ़ाना था?
What did she have to teach?
उसे क्या नहीं पढ़ाना था?
What did she not have to teach?